What's happening? We're heading down to Hillman Ferry Campground down in Kentucky. Looking for some warmer weather, hopefully.
Hopefully.
We're about tired of this cold, windy crap that we have in Chicago. So why don't you come on for a ride and see what it's like. So this is the point where I have to say I lost 3.5 hours of GoPro footage. I'm not exactly sure how I managed to do that, but I did. So this whole trip, I only have a couple little clips from an action camera and some pictures. So unfortunately, this video just isn't gonna be what it should have been. Well, we finally made it. The view is pretty. We're right on the lake. I'll put you some pictures here in a little bit. It's nice. It's a little breezy. Not bad. We'll see how it goes later when it gets, the sun goes down and it gets chilly. It might be a little too much, but who knew? 7-hour trip, a couple of stops. We stopped in just outside of Paducah. We got some Purple Toad Winery wine assortment. So Patty and I are going to try a couple of those. And I got West 6th Brewing. It's a local brewing company out of Lexington, Kentucky. I got Pay It Forward Cocoa Porter. That's what it looks like. So we're going to try these. We're going to sit back and relax. And, yeah.
Enjoy the deal.
We'll get with you later. So what are we having for dinner tonight, baby?
Easy dinner, Chef Boyardee beefaroni.
Chef Boyardee beefaroni.
Yep.
And some French bread.
Yes.
And some ruffles.
Truffle chips.
Alright, get it in there. That thing's going. Ooh. This is the dinner of champions right here. We knew we'd be getting in a little bit late. We didn't want to do anything fancy, so we're doing fancy.
This is dinner for a king.
Chef Boyardee beefaroni and some French bread. We'll catch y'all in a little bit. Beefaroni, fit for a king, and bread and good old ruffles, and a drink, of course. Mine doesn't have a knife.
Because I used yours to butter the bread.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
going to put up this Rhino Rack Sunseeker awning. We've never used it, so we're going to see how it goes. Pretty easy.
This is where we had lunch at the Damn Brew House. It was pretty good. Patty had the berry punch, and I had the high velocity Damn Brew House. It was a nice stout. They were both pretty yummy. Patty had a BLT and I had a grilled cheese, and we had to try the house fried bologna. It was really yummy. Well, that's about it for this one. I'm super disappointed that we lost the GoPro footage because I had some pretty good stuff. Some crazy stuff happened on this trip. Our battery went dead in the car, and we had to go get a battery installed. And the guy at Walmart was pretty rude, and I ended up installing the battery myself with a pair of pliers. And yeah, so hopefully I won't do that again. And the next one will be a little bit better than this one. Be safe out there and get out and go camping.